Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove bookmarks in Google Chrome on your MacBook. So open up the Google Chrome in your MacBook, and now you can click on the three dots that you see at the right top corner, and then you can find the option bookmarks and lists. Okay, then you can click on show all bookmarks, or you can also click on bookmarks manager. So I'm going to click on bookmarks manager. Now it will open up this screen. You can use the search bar at the top to find your bookmark, or you can see under bookmarks bar, these are all listed. Then under other bookmarks, the rest of the listed. Now you want to delete or remove any one of them. Suppose this one, click on the three dots right in front of it, then click on delete here. Okay, and it is gone. Okay, deleted. Now you want to delete this one, click here, click on delete, and it is simply removed from the list. So this is how easily you can do it. If you want to remove it from the bookmarks bar, which comes right here at the top, then you can simply go here, click on this one, and simply click on delete. So this is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.